deep core training in quadruped with a balloon. So you're going to be in a tabletop position or quadruped. So hands are under shoulders, knees are under hips, and the balloon is going to be in your mouth. So you're inhaling through your nose, place your tongue to the roof of your mouth, and that'll help you not suck in the air. So inhale through your nose, exhale through your mouth, blowing into the balloon. And as you do this, think of wrapping your core in, knitting your ribs together in the front, and then pulling your pelvic bones together so your stomach is drawing inward, wrapping in, and flattening towards your spine. And then once you've completed your exhale, you're going to inhale again and exhale through the balloon. So you'll inhale and exhale until the balloon is filled, and then take a break, deflate the balloon, and then you'll go back and repeat it. You want to make sure that your stomach isn't pushing out when you're exhaling. So it's really important that you know what it feels like for your stomach to wrap in and flatten down.